Ye Yankopon a wotumi ade nyina ye da wase. Wa wo boy free tete. Wa hu mobro nti akwa mai. Adoye di nti Awurade ekọ itaye ho a. Esan ba fie boko. Esan krofo ewuo. Enka se so bo se wo mo a enye nokore. Ya tiase ne ya da sore ya. Ye wusa dom han no ana epie se awia ato ye so no. So kan bi Nyankopon. Na ntia mfata o ne ense. Adom na aso ye so bi. Akwara me ye teme gai bone ye ehwe wa himye me kwai. So kan odo ya wa yi ne dia kire. Be so doim hu sam be confirm. Awurade asam no be petem frama mo o me sraw. Won soma wa sam manen ko sam magwa. Nemu disa ye die ntia. Won soma ye na wie. Me sraw. Botaya njina o ma de kyen. No asa fe wa se mra me fa won sabon kom. Manembre. So kira bi tie me na so hia biem. Na kuma ye bo afasase de etu. Sana jini muno adi suma fa hantu. Mesro bi kwa ina ni ponte de kanase. Prisaba wo ma no, wo do obi akatua na ebebre no. Wo do munya kase. Ye ti bi yi nyame so empia bonte ma ni panyina hu Nyankopon tumi. Mo wa hini emra asase so ate. Bon point da wase so timi. Odoba Yesu di mu nti. Amen. Matthew chapter 18. I'm fine free home and the nipper could you. Men find channel, menene yaka. Men find channel, menene yaka. Menene king. And the double couple something who shall marry any amanonia. The parkoma, I say. Go for one some quan. Wakasa wasam kontimi minimwe yo wakofo obi dia bekan e kum nipa pressure mo jabrofo ene yare ahudo bebre abadi pamu a e ya mfa mfire ne de ba oso do obi aka hu na na yo maso kwana ya hawa dwesa ale bi ni pa no mfa no bo ne nche na wo ye free ya sami yo after wo kwan nyane dia ana wo so dia so nyane dia ana oro dia nya wo dia dia benti no so ha wo ho ase wo fa no ho nsam so mu ona do ba wi ase David say awade wo nsam no dia sie makomam na manye bone antia wo dia wo obi ho nsam na ahye na ma wo di bone jama oglim makomam adusu da sabi si wo Matthew asampotin woke tidun woke Matthew chapter 18. You are something you. Alpha free ayaka. And the people called Jim. Sha tito Christopher. Omedi opia so dem wona na man for ya kabia. Ye kai we be kai for be for because unkuta honhom papa. Unforgiving spirit is a witchcraft. We have a proof from the Bible actually what. Sha. Kasabia Yesu kai. Matthew asampati du moke. Tite mu dunu tie. O se na se wonua. Afumu wa. Ko. Ne ko yi na kan. Woni ne nko antam. So tie wa. Wa ye wonua. Ti asam ni yo. So wonua fumu wa. Wa kata fa do ho asam so timo. Ko minua ade yem se from so say na banan say kwaya on me fashion no anyenti be ya interest be en cancel boko wo se won pene o fa dan se fo mienu na me yesa ka ko ba na mo fa sam no sa meto nanim wan pene ko boda sori so na fofo amane sa fofo no ba ne se nipa no still wan pene mumu ba yifo bo sunsun ni tudini isu ba nye onye papa ya kai nipa on ka mo classify ni frasa ankofo na munya na se man na me bom pa ya mo mba fo bi wa sabi so mu ya careful na ya obi nti obekọ mo nsam tem obi o no na twa bia ne mawudi no na twa ta de so anyo na haida no Sasa wana usha wo Nyankopɔn dom wode adom bi ama wana usha wo so still wo de obi ho nsam lodu mu ama wointi edo kotobo nsam ti e ba kira wade bi ti woni mra ho so tie de eka Matthew asa pati dum woke hwetchemu aduonu ba ko so wo se na Petro o se Yesu di ka se Matthew 18:15 ho wa kira wo sa mfomso ba wo obi ntam de wo so yi o and what ever be see verse 21 so was it a Petro eba ne nchai eba se no se ewuade empresa emprahe ana mini afom me a di asem ni yo o yanku ni pa fom wa mental free no enkosi person ana lesa ye wonam so e wona watwim lesa se da bia wo fom me ba ko esi mpranso a eno no min fa hwemi mu ntia na wa fom ne chen no asaba be fom ade chen asaba be fom sa wo fom ko kasetiam di matam bobi dua tesa di ho ni nsemmoni nante o ke kansam tesa bia wo nyemi na wakafa ho wa sase duada kwa sa be sini duada fofo o pawasebo Peter si Yesu present na men fanchem Wakosha sia juada ne kosi juada fofora e na me mfa nche na ma Yesu se nya sa na me kire wo me Yesu me kire ntesa verse 22 osi Yesu ka kire mse me nse o sha en kosi mpranso na mom embradio so ahodo nso 490 times dako ntisa wafumu na de abon ntema no wafumu no atwene budari wafumu no ai sasa watima lotu obi bone pa du akoma mu ha Nyankopɔn se obi ti odo kotije tie pede Yesu sa ka sofo pede story tell no so ho echo Matthew chapter 18 wasi ye nti osoro ahini atese ohiri bia opese wode ne nko a ebu nkonta no ofiase ebu ye no wode ba obaako a wode no talent opidu ebre no na enam se woni je wode betua enti ni wura no esese won tono ene ne yire ene ne ma ene di owo nyina o na won fa emetua kan papa no watch no wode obi kawo billions of cedis dia wo se ana akwa no egu kotodwe esra no se owura to wase emame na me tia oni nyina verse 27 na kwa no ewura no ehunu no se akwa no wura no hunu mobo no jano no de karo e chero we Nyankopɔn ni pantama sam no kano Boni suboni ya boni sampa jamal tu nuro tim kofo tim kofo yinu subamboni ya wayi ya tie Nyankopɔn nya bo ona do ba ma onfama ne sese ya ka kira wo mfa nya aduma ayi ko mesere bu ntie Nyankopɔn sese ya ka kira mo mfa nya aduma bad bodi ya mo mra de mpese ni pade ya aduma apolisi fo bu ntie Nyankopɔn se mo nye brai mo ngwa adwaman mo nye nkofo kunum mo nye nkofo yinu asebi se mo hwehwem ensa no mo bu atai se mo mfa sa ni me ya nya aduma eni so bi so to ga na mra ye nkyeno ya sabni yo asama ya karo de kira no de Nyankopɔn sa to se di pase wo mfade a eni bia se obi anye de opɛ sha obi anye ho ni nyameka eni pa boni nkiri Nyankopɔn so ma Yesu ba obi anye boni nkiri Nyankopɔn pe eso ni asase ni obi ade to di nyameka opipipe no opidu agire wuntimi ntua ntua kokoko to di ma sere Nyankopɔn se nyame ni hrawo boni weni maye na bi ni bibia be de betua ka Nyankopɔn de bodi na chawo ye he de to aso bodi odi achawo ye he de to aso sha kebe so di sabe wose da akwa no wura no ehunu no mobo wo re chen no Nyankopɔn hunu police ni bonu ya wadi bebrebe no ohunu mobo odi achen Nyankopɔn hunu nana no hene ne bonu bebrebe a wadi abosonsom dipakum ene enkofo nsa ase tondie na nana se yankopon dia chen ye hwe so obi so efun no a obetim dia cha di asem ni yo ke verse 28 was na enko no akwa no se die no okohunu ni nyura kwa ne ono so ne enko a ebinom edum baako ya wode no dan me wo ha wode just there's a 10 Ghana cedis was it also mu etim ne mene wa ekasa tiabeka we ye sika ka ho asam na meka wo obi boni ode ayo so de chen tie verse 29 was it the wura kwa no anso ade ne ho hwe fom asra no say to bo ase ema me na metua was it ono de wa mpani o was it wode no ekoto afiase se enkosisa obetua kam so obi ni die bebere ba chano onso ko hu no yonko dia wode no kakra bi no watim ne mina yira bono minim o kire wode bi papa se nyanya mi adoma nko twa hwe wu ko bonsam gim udi bone ubisu di bone na me ko ekoso ke obo ho ba aja se enfum so ba kum ye du bia o yonko de ye won eni watim ne mina u bodu dua kristo ni fenso o ya bo bi dua e taisi se kofobia kuma sere abusa ba ko na nkam mu ni ko e ba do kuruntam tawantawan ba ko maame ne kuru akola ene papa oba ene maame cheta ankora ko ye hu no confusion here and there ntawantawe ko so e pini papa ko bu nsam na wadi aso mi sam be ka ho sam cho be very careful. Okay, that's why I don't preach churches. One fast one to Jamie and Catherine Abraham Watson. But then the extra quiet and no go for them. Yeah, make this time who need pass who young couple. A total body chrono. I said, Abraham and Couple see young one. Nipa more, but he had 2 to me. They said you will be a small, when you be a small, no uncle. The all catch on umfa. Then so better na na o no na as a do kron na to no e huro. Ni pe hu nyame. To come to 15. Was so mind do man fa de dimini. What na no to ye nyam to na come da pa peso. What na no to praises and worship to me urape. Obusan se sister oh nyame adom me hoye. Brana what is oh nyame tete nyame no yadi nyame ti no ne yadi bibia o wa tre nyame na aye abuni store nim eso bunko for faso e was to hu ha o mai do ma no fafa de dibini ne so ma kuma da ware saya so ha awade baba o bele bia me chawo be kasa sia bia wi aho ya se nipa nim de ye huna the young person me can tell. I'm fine free home and the double cobble some gem. We are sorry, Panino. Also, I'm sorry, Panino for being once and money soon. Not a chance for them. Wakuma poor, one sucker be who will be a bar. From opposed to some new winter, the young captain and Abraham was it. Booking kind for our own. Chapter 34. Was it a new run? Abu Fui. Now, I don't know who you hear for say. Uncle Sisa. But let's be ordinary now. Sana. Samumu biara. I'm free na kumemu. Bit me call the man and tell you to be there. If you trim dear. Would you go? Would you have made this time? Nipa de niema bi di agro wo de nyanko fo sama wa kekan nipa mfa ni agro sana o nipa wewu so do bi aka no wewu ya bere so afere me boa ko ka sire ko fa funu no so be wi o so wa be nde yo nipa wo ne ya aka wo tia sempo wo ntimi amoni di da wo wo na akohye na adwo na ho awari wo gu hu fi pa Samanfo na no mbekasa ati asefo de odo ma yaka nya baye ya sabni yo ha katie tie ka sa uko Matthew chapter 22 verse 34 ha wo wura bi ba Yesu nche begusa se Yesu emra mu de he ne sombo ba ne Yesu chechire no se emra no e fa ba ko Dawadu Nyankopɔn fi akoma nyina mu okra nyina mu wadwene nyina mu wahodi nyina mu na ɛfa so aka no do yonko sawo ti asaba no kan yo entu ko Deuteronomy chapter 4 verse 30 ho Nyankopɔn de mrasem dum mpo ema Moses even Old Testament o twere bu abo puru mienu so nti ɛfa abo puru mienu no apono no fa aye nipa ne Nyankopɔn ntamu asem ana ɛfa na aka no aye nipa ne yonko ntamu asem enti sa wo se wo do Nyankopɔn ti asaba no kan yo Nyankopɔn fa no de yesha asafi Yehova wo ya kron asu no kron kasa awurade ya de wase so wo yire wo yire ho adwempɔne papa won hwe yi obi wu akogem ana bi ko da wo dim de be sia na bi no esa what na sia sese de what's all going on? But I'm telling you, there is one thing. And you have to obey. And then you go to me a camera. Sorry. Collection, and for there, Tonyum, Roname. No one but see anyone Cassati or for. What did you make for a car? What did they hear in Cassa? I want it from now. How possible? How say? Awari fumpo ayaka. How come? Say you pay you no fear. How come say awari fo? Wa bu mi enu abaye honam ko. Enti esen ebeti matai tekrema. Na duana ne baye den na akoye furum. No mi enu na so nye ni pa mi enu bie mo. Oba baye honam ko. Enti ensa ebeka kire enan se memfa ho ama ensa ho atonana. Makoya adwuma sika atwa menan anaba sunti menamabu sensase wo mfa me ho a fine obati de obekwa kofa bre no na ono de nsa so bi akọ na mum na wanya bia dua ma ono so ho ato enti ade na kan na kansa menihum tanya honhom mo me de be tira ware fo ntem ye ya saba no kan yo de be tira ya katim sia ware fo ntem be ma ni hwe ha na Yesu ani hwe ha mpa no so empanso na boni bi o ha ni papa sanye boni oba de ho kaminiku ya te sa di obi akogba dwaman Bible say enya sa emokro no enyin sa yintumu eni tro sa so no oba mfa ho kamiku 1 Corinthians 7 dise bo mi ru nyina ma tum ho si ho sa mo bo mpae ko wedi be ko so Kristo ko bi ntam e wo mpaso Sase bo ya ne betima ka o. So for the only dey cause kokonu ka. Man memma no aware fo be jare abetra so dem shensen. Entoma ka tagre so. Na wade be pa kokonu so nyina odi kwa temu. Ha, ni panya kefo. Ti la sama no kan yi. E ba sia nyam nyam ne bo bi sim kasa o. Binim do so ma me. Ti sama nyam nam ye so de ban. Ye ne ya fabricate story bi ne tie ke cancer future. Just one tria o be kojim. Yesu sin sawa e ka kire ho. Ayankwa. What you say? So this one e so de be bagu sun. Akola bi pon ne papa yaka. Kurasini. Kola bi ne papa yaka o. Can you class some ne bayi sama? How possible say? Akola papa o ma me wo ba wiase. O papa wo ba wiase. Wo se ne ma wo fo nkasa bi no mo yaka. Aka. Obehu wa wiye pa Ephesians chapter 6 amamu nke ma wo fa asem wuradim na wani abiate wani mransem dunu de bi kai what you say wani mransem dunu de bi kai abose ewo mu na awie wiye wo kwanna so be ware ti se wo ma me no papa wo mu wo na no ma yaka wo life what tell me you wo be wu enche hiya so be hiya wo hom ton ka you don't respect your parents. Also say, when the man say about so na wie wi ye. Tu mu ma me mu papa mu panyin. Also, never mention about over here. Don't stop at the air. Would you have a minute? Just a you, and you say, oh, what do you want Koyaka? What do you want Mumfa, Mumfa, the one in Chanua? Give you. At a sudden, Uncle Ponce said, now I want to you know. Why you found watching? The Bible has a fan, you put out a fan can watch watching. Wouldn't Uncle Ponce correct? But one of your Kuntamundi, what will do? And it is only what Bible would chat fat watch watching. This I wouldn't be changing a missing move and today. Now for found the issue and Castle before Henry. Yanko Fenson, you honey woman decay tonight. There are some no come, never one. Would I wouldn't yako? Yet your body would be in Heady Pazao. Yes, so, we are software, not for the Mayaka. Marco Pani, so for my mere one in Marco Lidayaka. I saw him all. I saw him maybe, I want him Bonnie woman support. Who pay Eliako, who pinch Look at some petition, it did do so. Luke chapter 17. Who can carry verse 12 for whatever? They are telling you. Yes, you trust a quarter food to be, you have a quarter chain. Original Bompire, yes, you are quarter, you are how near quarter. Yes, someone from home quarter of. But if I come studio. So for now, yes, you say for home quarter. Now, quarter in 3 or so for none of the outcome. And to be papa, now that's what for you. What does American? Yaba so bompire ya mintie what you are the bompire to say we be tresia ko in fact e hawa amfan fere honhom e di bre nipa e tripa yiye nyina di bre nipa ti so what dia friend na so ase na no obi ntam wasema better forgive the person that's all and go for free o ton suffer by for life you had you me di katinan te modu o say se obi so fu bi so fu mami bi asori panyini bi ma ko leader bi you are someone who can you or Hinibi, a human penny, Papa B. I can't say go young coupon, the class sorry, then I see a saw nine, then I'm a hair softful, you tell me to so do, the bar for the air, now they turn your mail around there. Why are you all? So be like you can wait so do young coupon. There's a sandy power or tiny neon. You can't true for number one. That Satan also is the chief of all lies. To destroy the eyes on the Bruno Samuel, the same lie. Clear? So because I'm going to go on Tanina, was what you're true for. How come some of the tower will be Babras and Quasso? Babras me a soft, Babras me Kenyan said, Babras me what, Mamma, Papa? Now, but true. Christosom, and you will know young Kuntamasem. What is American? You are American, you. Dear, you wanted the 12 to say, a better day. I don't bet you. I don't know. Who just only you. And then I bet my doing a good for now time will be a woman. Was it not said ye any young in chain? Said the old young coupon, Papa also doing young coupon. My men also doing young coupon, or no millions. Something. I said, when you should get about the trouble, him, my mamma who bet Tom. Won't come by phone 50 hop. How woman at the Yabi or Newbie or New or be who you were he. As I said, she's so good. Now they tell him, our money be that to after all. With the cold, you come woman much over you. Let me phone one will be also that or what to know. Will be on the amount for Tayaka. Won't to be funny pabon and tell you before. But the Bible will prove what you don't come by your home. Better forgive people, that's all. The partias from so. What does my come? Daniel, who got Daniel chapter 6, verse 21 down. Yet she done that to Fiasso. The Juma of 400 years, you did the whole trouble. They didn't think that happened. At the action, I know he sorry. Nanano, ya was sent Kata, say and fuck Daniel, and go to prison. Yes, fuck Daniel, and go to Muam. Yes, fuck Daniel, and go there by form. No one children into Telenamo, Nanan is Katan. At the action, and I'm sorry, you call Daniel. Push out Daniel, said Daniel. Also, soon you go for as we young couple soon that down. As much you are. One car because it was symphony, was symphony. One car because a pop in cool. Nipper do who trouble yet to walk to a fiasco. Yat to say what busy. Yat to walk to a mammanium. Let's say Nipanoa Samba say, Biniana, what to say? Kabaka the trees of Kobe. katam di dia obedi tiro ne enkwahye ase ade beba ni dia bebo no para sama Daniel kan say nana una sa kanta be de ko to afiase why me bone nanso nyankwada wan ka dia papa de do me no ya sama kan yo afa nana ni hu sa pe ana obusa Daniel adenti na osunya wo ajatana ntima nchewani adenti na bayifo ntimi ko adenti na odia abayifo ya amanfo sewa bo no wo dia wo ntimi sewa Daniel senana nyankwanda onyankopɔ somo ne bɔfo amene bebu mu ye tana no pese onyankopɔ hu me semme makoma mu me ne wo nana me ni adwenbɔni bi atuawo ɔte asɛm ayɛ kana sɛ na me nyankopɔ ntam soso no bɔne bi adi hɔ hwɛ nyankopɔ toro asɛm no hemra no me ni me nyankopɔ ntam no bɔne bi adi hɔ ana me ne wo nana so awo pɛ me bɔne sɛ mmoa nkyeme nwe agata nkyeme nwe badwuma nsɛi me maka nkunkum wɔ mo yare nkum wɔ mo me nyankama wuo mo wo nana soso me ne wo ni asɛm bia na me de ko to me nyankopɔ so saa de ma bia nsa wa yi ene yi tan ye fi jata mire o so te ba ifo da bia so obi na ye o efi na wotum no wo de fi bia o ko haya obi na ye wo ti fi o usuba mpone na ye o sa but from the Bible ti asabni yo e ti ma mi na papa wo tie me we are living in the world of lions abaifo ajaka e wo wiase now o ja se ti gani bra banti obetima yusu kra obetima yusu ni pabia dia refas openisika duro to honhom wo ha obetima kum e dia penisika kan ko nse bebre do ka se fa emre bia se tu aba total ni etu aba ni wia e fi ni boso me mienza e ko Ghana for money na ho na mo hwe dia ne fifi moja flow all over e bi na moja so the pre aba or the prepositions na mi huni yansam bi hom se godu se sani bana ni kamu so a preservation wu ya no what the post no call Ghana ka mo to benka tai ben wo tibi twese fundaka papa wo ya be very careful en fa kwambone so be e me page na bila yankopon ni shira ya me ni page lipa uja ho ma bro sam page wa se wo ne be hwe ho no be hu nyansa dachi the careful life ha asaba madabi ayake koso akatabu wiase so when you're careful with your life na one fa me the action me the answer fa ni pa no nature so one fa tell you am through mu those lions they can kill you he can be free that tell me no ya ka Daniel chapter 6 verse 21 down ye can be free that tell me no ya ka be man chana yo the tell me nti na koma fa be ne koma de bia mu ko na raba kwandi bia na nsa acha sama ya kan no percentage de bia so de ko tu what is here na yesu cross yesu asem ya nan ko what is sani ma we nyina egu ho so fo bia kwa nkyerɛ sɛ fa raba bande to ne sa so fo so kwa nkyerɛ sɛ fa yetu de ko so fo kwa nkyerɛ sɛ fa duku e mo biti akwa nkyerɛ nyina wa jibi from top to down so by for you what can wa come tai come pro ha Daniel the tenth man chirani adai meni matamfo ntam ya kama meni menyankopɔ ntam ya kama eti we nyame so na me ho ato nti maame I tell you no weapon no weapon no demon no weapon that fashions against you shall prosper so ba kuma te sa ya manfo dia ya wayi afiri mu ya chano no na mo obiani die no na ho o fa no asama lo obu mu ama bayifo atete wa resa yere ke yare ba so ha mamen chao so sa so mo ne ya de bredi ba ayaka be de ho asama se mu nen kasa no hoda na me ntono nsia no da na me man no odi akọ urade mi wani ma me wate hwe e hawo bai ana ayaka e de nim fa de bo ne nche no e de ba de di kan o mpa iboto kwa ibesi ti ma mu jira nso da me hro papa ko papa wa kuma te sai wa yonko ha also brother me cause to ba comment matatu contemporary Christianity ya permit uko YouTube now search evangelist Paul Ewura YouTube ebe bia ma messages ahudo nyina e wo internet YouTube wo pe bi tie the telephone number so 024 117 1896 wo frame so a wo benya me live ya sabi enamra ti so som Yeah. Okofia na nimsi fo. On na busu afontem. On tia on kasa obia. That's what I sorry about. And yet, you can't tell me, yes, I'm telling you, the proof from the Bible at all. And then they catch out some of Missaka. Okay. Matthew chapter 6, verse 12. On Bible to quite this. So also will be once and so more. Sure. Matthew chapter 6, verse 12. You are some year. Matthew chapter 6, verse 12. Yes, some Bible tells you for no. Yet I also would want to him, bro. Oh, boy, yeah, would you see that 12 so? That's 12 for no say. No fire, not Catherine. Sadia, you did 3 1 hour, dear cat. So, what do you come on in channel? A prayer, and Pibombia. Tinasa would do no cassette. Sayaka 3 years, and I did 3 on the account corner. On Pibon and Yamia. Nyankopo peso hu last wa brabum de bi tina so kenkan Matthew chapter 18 verse 34 ho eba wo sesa na obi so wan firi na komam amfa no yonkopo ne anche sadi pa no okohia temu wo gunsam jim kohia temu wo gunsam jim wo yonko de amfa anche prayer is a conditional work prayer fire na kafiri yen se de bi so na de aka e di sa won fa obedience ni no a nyankopo so mfa firi tu jina kwa senti kujini complete oponi na so son tu kujini dangerous sha tia sam Mark chapter 11 Mark was empty du bako hey ena enyama ni nyama mema no yaka oniaba no yonko bia niaba omo yaka niaba ma ni niaba ma omo yaka abusua ayiye ya bayi ya ka dam den anyway kasa so human son e kokoso abusuam awarefo mumpo na me de na me ka Matthew chapter 2 ho tiniyo fama Mary e wo ye no won konkro sha na ginsam wo ye no abra o mada Mary ni kun Joseph o mu dada ba ko na bofo Gabriel ba ya pe no ka kire Joseph se abra Mary da ho so Gabriel na kan kire Mary o san ho ko ka kire Joseph Papa who na the head of the family. Mommy, respect the head of the family. Just about telling you, who find out who found the court. Watch it, respect the head. Who got 1 Corinthians 11 for Homer? Was he yes to teach me and couple? Bema teach any yes. Or bad teach any Bema. The chain where to know. Into a bad the brother wants that former Ukun. So cassette Ukuna, the Sadio cassette yes. The study of cassette Yankupon is a chain work. They are coefficients chapter 5 verse 22 down. But the American you don't read the Bible until it's sent to from 1 year. That's it. But Rebecca will be cooking. Now, my baby for taking over and working it. Ha! A disciple formation if it Gabriel, but for Gabriel should be see Joseph. And I'm not sure that someone. What was Joseph in Mariaka? Somebody may see Joseph son. The one of the catcher Mary, said by Bufrano, if he had a herald of Penecum. Think and never make a herald of Cunius, he knew as if he would be Mubias. I will fly a battle for my many papa. I can't double the Kum Colano. Herald will be taking Colano, I said, or San Colano Gravia, or San Colano Sabre, to Sufi Tifio, and answer Miabia, or destroy Momano because of I can't double me in Munten. Man, come, man, and Colano Babias. And you won't come on and Yakola by Yasa. I don't know, come on, fancy Kola. Joseph, over for Gabriel, Joseph, Catcher, we didn't marry. Naman Fakolam. And from Joseph to Mary to Kola. Sabra Joseph said, Many Mary and Casa, Dayaka near Da. Dayaka near Dada Bakumi. Ubium Cody. Casabra was a herald. Because one I catch a Mary saying for you. Ka Herod nwa anwa se Yesu ni tibam ke na yen kwaje botai no afi wiase wadem bone ne be sem ma no ate ene de hu de me kai o da chance na me ka cho we so fu na me no kasa me me abi mani cho I'm telling you ya ne yen wa ya ho acha se siti ba ku na me ka cho ka Herod be sem kola no ke na se o fu asem ho so de fu aba e do pre mo hwe aba tai for maame ne papa mo hwe o mo ntem ya hwe study hwe aware aguo no wo mma na asekese kwa na hwe nkola no na me ni hwe papa ni hwe na nkola to masa wa na ahonhomone atiebu nkola iso ye brem se bayifo na eye we e bayifo kwa na ma bayifo no kwai ma me ni papa se nkama mu wo ha ka hero do be dan atima be kum yesu ka bayifo be dan atima be sen nkola no but I won't find a man number the power of the BS and actually the about the first year. Be very careful, as I know, or Barbara was smoking, what from upon a child simple. But or by the Limonian Bako, or First Peter chapter 3, or by Limonian Bako, and then the dress address you. Then I'm not a canon in the 3 meters upon body. No, or by Limonian Kutana, Nahubrasim, or by the Limonian or Nahubrasim. We know about you. Bren wants a camera, Casano Guma, the Pacho. Or say Mamma who was a Mamukunum, said the Muyabe Urate. Ephesians chapter 5, verse 22 down. Mamma was Mamukunum, said the Muyabe Urate. No one said Ukunuso, so I know what we used to show. Would we have Yako? But I found what Papa also doing. Wouldn't be found who you want to punish you to be in a William Lonely. Or we initiate the demonic kingdom. To all the other cats, we answer now, dear. With the conscience in woman, much around. As you buy in a William, the Shaya Miss or the baby. Sha Marco Sempa, a Tidubaco, maybe any cock, King Kai, Kotoma, King Kai. Mark chapter 11, verse 24-25. Was into the Mujina Bompire. Nama Kai said, who will be Bitia Ubia, Monfalfino. The major also said in Bonifimo, Namampai Bonatoine, Elsie, and Biocoyamo. Be very careful. I saw for them, I can't also. Hey! David Yakum Pempe, I saw the Wakuma Pempe. I saw for Kitwana Sore Coso, Cassera Sore Bane Buffalo, Telibraba. Bay saw home. First Samuel chapter 18. Something home their coso. I saw for them the Brenya Papa. Elders been done to teach us all my confusions. A kingdom group was sorry. Yes, you have between power. Ha! Dear, a how by now, Academa. Catch you. There's also two. So will be a car. So we are Christian in here. We are Imam here. We are Malam here. Now we are them Papa or Uncle. What for the Bow Bob? Papa for the call, Yanko Pony. Matthew chapter 5, verse 23-24. What is our bar for the Buchian? The whole Kaiser will be was some Tiawa, Janho, Jetscan, Yafodian. Call, Corneli Bacro Bombom, and some other boy for the Bibia Uyama. So will be Tamu Shari. Now it will be a car. Jadia Uyano. Say I'm some now can't take him. So I saw that I will see against you. Corneli Bacro Bombom never trusts. And yes, I the Uyan now. Because all the Bible no fact what watching and I say and God is not a hard God. God is 100% full God. And you can't have him. You can't have God. So behalf of who tell you. No. Complete Bible you know. And this all will be a cadia. That's what you are actually. To the only money in Alpha Sony show. This all would do afford a body by, would they afford their back, affordable child. Now all kinds of same child. Putting Kubum, a son of the man affordable. Yes, I am Kupon for Neg. Just me. A how I toss me. Obia will be watching Bonnie what it's you. What is soon? Thousand, chapter 2. You honey who made the kind. It's me. Obia will be watching what is more. A swim to Susu. Some Crawford attackers will be there because a sooner brunity. Who not buy because of the home, so one never come. Who not idea because I said that home and said, Mamma, some mine. They live no one and Debia, will be there, will be there. I've been born in Intra. I've been in a Mamintra. First off, Barbara, I won't card and why mistake it. You had a woman medical. You tell me, she has some need. And it's a moon call, it goes into back. First on 2, verse 9 to 11. Was it your cassette? Me or hiding, no telling you. So for me, so hiding, so I will be. So for me, be said, or hiding, and so I will be. Hey, company, what's not to know? Was so far for you, as one the members, the subordinates, no, they go for no year, my own being cut. Teacher, you been in the young teacher was. asaba da bio sofo na sorry ma re no sofo confusions was it so be sure or nano na kawo so han na so tani nia was it da so osumwa ebisi e wo no di be sise Bible mu biem 1:2 verse 9 what so ti sumu from that time be see now here eba won ni no ne mako panyina sam ne yakawo me some for fighters ni mu nchan declares the king for right reverend Pagunjamian town condition Nicodemus no kuta fighters Jesus hu ya wase wo nya kwade wa wo bebregu wo as dan kanya me say Nicodemus bread ho ase Yesu wo mu Nicodemus ye ni bi wasakra sabre Nicodemus o heaven wo ye mistake yan kokko jem for the sin fo akanya wo jem papa he yo what ya sorry about so akoma wo yonko usubanye be very careful sha munni ni panyina ntama somdue Hebrews chapter 12 verse 40 ho ani ahotia obi kwatia sofu bi kwatia wo huna urade n'achi ti so obedi bibia tia di ahotia enkamu achi simple so Ghana politicians akam ho abomu a hwe party asumasi no ota party asumasi ti bi tireba bi dina temchapon party asumasi nkasa politicians mu ayake koso na bedu ko obe politics a ubewu amochi ba kire onyansa ho mo kire ho sha wo de parties a wo de kwa de ba we bi nyanso president so nyanto kwase misaka last year wo de platform so me share papa documentary na me say papa last year wo de platform so this year ko yes men say mu je kacha so na de oni amanfo nyaka oni be ka gusu be hu awie akoma nya wo yonko adwuma ba kom na mo wo benya nka yonko na wu na be fa post party bi mu na mo prepositions wo benya nka party asomasi nka member asomasi nko wu na nko be fa title no wo de coin nipa vrate First John chapter 2 what's it verse 9 dia okase obi kam wo han ni wo ni kwa so nka sa de imam de yabala patonchi sana wo kan de wo han nu wo tan ni an otisumu tezo wo hunu han da me pun ne the best thing wo se de odo ni ni an ote han nu na suntu bia ni mu pa ja sama aka na se obi odo wo obi mu wo ye na bia onfa nhyeni mu wo ye na de ono nya aka oto anu achia wo oto anu achia Bible say say di pa suntu bia ni mu we correct kutanyansa ka ba mentre wa de bi osenkafo Ecclesiastes chapter 7 ya sami yo osenkafo tinso abufuo sewmu saa daga wo na de bi asaba to wana ana yemfa wo so a so wa he yo be wuwo basa ate abufuo sewmu na kama ka wo osenkafo etinso ma mentre wa de bi osenkafo hwe obi a ote han mu na ni ate bruta odon yonko wo be na de me mfa nhiri mu oto obekya wo kama wo hia bibi ono ho a obeboa obi nko ade obema bi yiso odi bi hwe na de odi obi ho asama hye ni mu ye hwe de nyankopon asama kafa no osenkafo tinso titemu nkron wo se ema wo bo wo se ema wo honhom ampere abufuo ho tedi yo ema wo honhom ampere abufuo ho na enkwasiafo kukum ana abufuo tie hey osankafo tinso titemu nkron ohonhom no ema abuhuo bi ase bibibi hurusu wo mu ase ya bibibi abehyew mu aya tumi fumio ose mane yesawo otase ose enkwasiafo akomam ana abufuo tie be very careful when you kwasia pattern be careful enko fenzon you hanu medical ti asabni yo wo se do so ho hanu no tani ni am wo da so suma fritete frisa kwa so mo fa so nto nchan wo bo wa nya no kore wo da so ti sumu Into when I am when I am when I'm a year, when I say my Juma, when I'm in Koso, sad because who are the year? But who are the year? At a dear class, I was a son. When I'm soon, Pim, will be on them, I'm a new Pim to farm them, Pim Nipa, the troubles of Kokantoka, at the troubles of Kokobi, at the troubles and some. Oh, what? Many will say, Obawa for the Nikum and Obijina Hokeke, Nikum Obijina Hokeke. Oh, then a good trash. Update, Mammy. Oya Pasia, Timabu phone Trancomusa, was in Kafana. Son, was it your own? They are already on it in relation to the enemy. Verse 11 was in a dear Otamian or Tissumu, not on them Sumu. There will need be a hawker if it's a Sumuno, a friend. Some of that was one. Ha! Tani Pan, what is Sumu? A howbay, and I academa, and the bay never. What is Sumu? Now, if I want to Sumu, you man, Sumu too for no money. Yes. And you could have made for me because of unforgiving spirit. See, Yagan and this shed a cocoa phone, didn't function. Already home about a channel, mamma, free. Why? James chapter 3, verse 14. Then tell see a baby. Well, we are now see when young sat me. Then you make us on make us on cry. And I'm for because of a Jimmy, and mamma, a Jimmy, a baby. What Casano? No one way now for so soon a year. What would ha? Yanko, James chapter 3. Send you another cousin, me and Tim Mabon America. The Kobo Muma, the Kobo, a Timian son. It's a Mudu night, James 3. Verse 14. Was in a Samu on it morning. Any man so train, Macumum, Yabon Hill. About your best reactor. Oh, hello. Mamma Yap and tell some near. Akumani Yakama, about Tisubekama. The money started from the Akuman. Let it start from the heart. The James is said, Nasamu will come morning. Animals so train. I will for bonnet, Makumamu. And the moon walk one more, a cop Pentecost, a Cody Palai, a Marco Penny, a co Roman, a Quanglican, a Bunchine, Anglican, deep life in the head. A comment is in Pentecost in the heaven. Never do what you put kitchen and never who. The Pentecost the walk while that will be campus have a class. The Samu will come more than the animals of Makumamua. Dear, and the moon walk one more. Namu near talk and Jano Crack, verse 15, James chapter 3, verse 15. Jacob Timmy and Saint Mudunum was a sign saying, in Philosopher, name a form, any okra, any morning answer. A bay answer. Only bay ya, to bay ya show. What does my account? They are very careful. Shut into Ayaka, perform what you police of you, and you know about Kunamuye. That's it. I don't know how to musicians. But a musician when you were nominated to come home, even gospel or case, didn't know being Casa, didn't know being Can. Mopamunian, no Tonamon Sacra. What? Here, who come back to chapter 18, verse 32 Hokwa? I can't believe a common something. The yes was some of career. 2 Kings chapter 6. I mean, Cabas and Richard. Quotation chapter 2. Dear, the master the baby 18 years. 2 Kings chapter 6, verse 21 to 23. A bit of Syria for. About before be Syria for. When we are some the Bopo Israel for the Kumo. And the Elisha, Yabi and Odi for Papa. Your phone be near Pietro phone be near cemented phone, some phone. No Mubia. You do it for Papa Elisha. Now go on, now head the Yenesu. And was someone would be the Syria for your singing Achamo. One Elisha come, Sumasamu Kopo have one year said. Syria first sent near Maboni after Israel for. Tomo Israel family will be a Mefasabla. One Syria falls of boy Elisha who possess. And I give a book of Elisha. Tiasami yo, what will buy on the Kumi Elisha? Bible say, I have a catcher Elisha, say Elisha. And I found him just to come up, Bob Kumo. Elisha say, keep quiet. So the only time for no Yomusa. Now made them a time for the being Yomusa. A one Elisha, and no more coin or quiet, and no more tea. A time for no, what would you and Elisha say, Yamoquai? Bible say, what would free Israel Mukoyan or maintenance Elisha? So forgiveness is a weapon. A good tower council, a moment to mean the worship him. Yako Romans chapter 12, verse 20 to 21. A comedy of time family. Succumb de no amani brebe nom. Ya saye na de susu nya sana magu na tifi. Nije ne ba ma ho so pia microphone so. Emi 2 minutes pe. Mani abro. Dige mani ya niya me koso on so di mu no. Me so ba me fa ha ngo ha na me yende wat ni so. Tie. Yes, ni Judas. Yes, who said Judas in the camphor. So what need it? Matthew chapter 26, verse 23. Was it the only person said it? You are coming. What the baby Yama? Yes, who know? So what need it? And now, Obeka saw you be for. Fear Abraham. Christianity. I want to who from over. Yes, you say send me as always over there. For that I do have in some open you don't know you are from born a child. 7 years Singapore was a rod. Then found for born and two almost. The Christians are praying for their enemies. And that Christians for their bomb and say, James on Mamma on Papa, because on Mamma on Papa and no more. Did it? Mamma found to your normal Kenkai. Matthew chapter 5, verse 43 to 48. Was what they said Moses' breath or Cassa? Don't go for the tower tamfo. Now, me, yes, you dear. Monsirama tamfo, Mon Pie Momo Tamo, Monsia Homo, Namonia over year. Monia over year. And you must get in a wood year. No be your bonnet in the Kaka. Yes, what you would do. To be your bonnet, Hatcham. Namisra, my mom pie. Already a vampire was it. So when you know someone wants to be a mind. The stress of baby any penny, not Boniface, I am the Paso Juma. Somebody you know at the bonnet when your master said the Pamua. When you went Casa, where you were Swaba, where you were Boedia, where you saw, that you were so Sakai, where you were so piano, we travel else to Temu. How's a Kalipa? Now you're such a Yaduma. Let 2 bonniers if you depend. Who so rather? What did the Papa need 3 and just was said in the Pamon for 1. And when I'm counsel team, oh yes, Timothy. Amen.